anything, but
Well, yeah.
the sun's been on it. Hey buddy, you're awake now. That's good. Hey little buddy.
Just waiting not to go.
Yeah. Mommy's got to know how good her workout is today. Setting the watch up. So far, weather's great. Snow's great. Hopefully it'll be a nice little hike. That scare you, Max? Oh, buddy. Okay, come on. Sorry, buddy.
Wow, we are looking for you.
I know.
Wow.
Just turn around? No, we're still gonna go to the island. Okay, so what I was trying to do there is get a nice square photo with the ridge in the background and keeping the moon in a spot where you get kind of a nice square composition. So we'll see if that worked out. Oh, we can sure notice the wind now. We made it back. It was a good snowshoe. I think for sure the rest of the day is going to be taking it easy. Got to make some dinner, and then yeah, that'll probably be it for the day. So I'm putting together a little video for the new snowshoes that I got, and I'm just reviewing this first clip that I got of me putting on the snowshoes for the first time. And then we're gonna go into the woods and do some more recording, get some b-roll, get some shots of me like running through running through the woods in the snow. And yeah, we're gonna put some stuff together and make like a little maybe 30, maybe 45-second ad. We'll see what we can do. Anyways, yeah, so far it's been fun, and the snowshoes seem great. They replaced my last snowshoes that I broke. I just got a whole bunch of snow dumped on me from one of the birds landing on a stick behind me. What we got going on here now is I'm setting up for a shot, which I'm going to use the GoPro to do an overhead shot. The reason I'm using the GoPro is there's too many overhanging sticks and trees and stuff to, safely fly a drone. Especially as I'm the one who's walking into the shot, I won't be able to control the drone and be in the shot. So I'm going to rig up a little rig using a stick and some rope to get the GoPro up for an overhead shot. And then at the same time, I'll be running this camera filming me come through the shot. So I got to get the GoPro up and rigged up without getting any footprints in the shot. So it'll be a little bit of a challenge, but I think I can figure it out. Also, I'm going to need to keep the GoPro out of the frame of this camera's shot. So yeah, let's see what we can set up. Okay, so this is the GoPro rig for the overhead shot that I got doing the snowshoeing. And there's the GoPro right there. And yes, the birds are definitely around. Hey, buddy.
God,
Meeting.
if I don't have that report ready for Monday, my boss is gonna kill me. Does he honestly think that 1 week is an appropriate timeline to write up an entire actuary report?
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.